Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Adobe Character Animator for live lip sync clips, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Character Animator on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import your puppet by clicking on the File menu and selecting Import. Once your puppet is loaded, double-click on it to open the puppet in the rigging workspace. Select the face section found in the Properties panel. Make sure your puppet's facial features are properly set up for lip syncing. Ensure that your puppet has a mouth with multiple different facial poses. Next, set up your microphone for audio input. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, find the Audio tab. Select your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu. Test your microphone levels to ensure they are picking up sound correctly. Now, return to the main workspace. Open the Timeline panel to see the layers of your puppet. Select the layer for the puppet's mouth. Click on the Add Behaviors button in the Properties panel. Choose Lip Sync from the list of behaviors. Once added, this will allow your puppet to respond to audio input. Before you start recording, make sure to adjust the lip sync settings. You can find these settings in the Properties panel under the lip sync behavior. Now, let's prepare to record. Click the Record button in the upper left corner of the workspace. Speak clearly into your microphone as you record your audio. As you speak, watch your puppet's mouth to see the lip sync in action. After completing your audio recording, stop the recording by clicking the Record button again. You can review your lip sync performance by pressing the Play button in the Timeline panel. If necessary, make adjustments to your puppet's lip sync settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, save your project by going to the File menu and selecting Save. You have successfully enabled Adobe Character Animator for live lip sync clips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.